तरीन वीडियोस के लिए हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको मिले हर अपडेट सबसे पहले।
First of all, our interaction with the Chinese officials, that version of what is happening in Xinjiang is completely different to the version of what we hear from the Western media and the Western governments. So, because we have a very strong relationship with China, and because we have a relationship based on trust, so we actually accept the Chinese version. You know, what they say about their programs in Xinjiang, so we accept it. The second point is that we find it a little bit hypocritical when there are much worse human rights issues in the world which get no attention. For instance, in Kashmir. Kashmir is a huge human rights problem. There are about 9 million, 8 million Kashmiris which are basically have been put into an open prison until recently. It's a police state where there are extrajudicial killings, there's imprisonment, there's arbitrary arrests and a ban on media, and yet there is hardly any adverse comment in the Western media. 100,000 Kashmiris have died in the last 30 years for a freedom struggle. It's a disputed territory. Yet you do hardly get any coverage in the Western media, and we hear about Xinjiang and Hong Kong, which is a bit hypocritical.